Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to sync Ultrahuman ring. Okay, so open the Ultrahuman app on your phone while your Bluetooth is turned on and your phone is close to the ring. So as you can guess, you need to have Bluetooth on your phone. Then you open your Ultrahuman app and stay on the main dashboard screen. Okay, so you will see here at the top left corner this green lightning. So if you click on that, you will see basically information about your ring. So you see status is connected, it's in turbo mode, and so on. So if it's not, and you don't find this ring, you can locate my ring. Then what else we have? We have here choose battery usage mode, um, ring airplane mode you can also activate. But if you don't have successful connection, you can for test disconnect ring and then you can again connect it. If this will work, you can also factory reset the ring if you want it. And yeah, this is how you can sync your Ultrahuman ring. Basically, it will sync automatically, but if you have troubles, you can check with Bluetooth. So if we go here to the Bluetooth, and this you can forget it and again connect it to your phone. Or you can try with that you keep this app open opened in background, so it's something like that. When you do that you have it like so, that you don't close this one here. Yeah, now basically one trick, so to wake up trick is basically you will try to shake your hand or tapping your fingers a little bit, that ring detects something, and you will see if something happened here in this status. And I think it needs to show you that it's connected when you wake it up. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.